Hey everybody, I wanted to show you how to cut and paste a bunch of slides at once. You're going to be doing that a lot. So I got your summative assessment here, and you got things you're going to be copying and pasting into your summative assessment that you've already done. So I just want to show you how to copy and paste a bunch of slides at once. The trick is to click over here on the left. You see how I highlighted this first slide yellow on the left or orange? If you move your cursor down, so you highlight the first slide you want to copy, then move your cursor down to the bottom of the group of slides you want to copy and hold the shift button and then click your mouse again and it will highlight all those. So I highlighted all those, and now I two-finger tap on my mouse pad and it will allow me to copy all those at once. And I copied all those 4 slides, and now I'm going to paste them all, and now it's easy. You just tap wherever you want them, like here, and click paste, and it will paste all 4 of those slides that I just copied right into there. And that's how you do it. Thanks a lot.